Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos and keeping up with what I'm up to hair-wise. I'm currently in Gran Canaria and I thought it would be a good idea to discuss my LaVivid hair system, what it's like wearing one abroad. Obviously I live in the UK, so the temperature and the climate is very different to what it is here. So there's a few differences that I just go through. Nothing major though, nothing major at all. So I have been away before with my hair system to Gran Canaria. However, it wasn't as hot as it was now, so I wanted to see what it was like in temperatures, 32 degree plus. So first of all, is it itchy? No. I did a regroom on myself just before I came out, so that was, I flew out on the Monday and I did my regroom on the Saturday, and so far I've had no lifting. There has been no itching, no uncomfortableness, slightly at the back, but what I do is I watched a tip with somebody once on one of their videos, which is really good, is if you were to, instead of itch, because itching damages the system, if you were to get your finger and basically, if I do a demonstration, you put where it's itching, you put it like that, and you kind of flick backwards and forwards like that. So you do that on your system like that, it actually gets rid of the itch, and it doesn't damage the system, which is a really good tip and worth doing. So give that a try if you do have an itchy system. I have washed my hair once since being here, so it is now Friday, so I've washed it once in 5 days. I don't tend to wash them that often because it's not necessary in my opinion. But each to their own. If that's what you like to do, you carry on, of course. So there has been no adverse nothing bad at all. It's been quite a talking piece, if I'm quite honest. I've had some people recognise me, weirdly enough, from my channel and from my social media with regards hair systems. I also met a guy here who wears a hair system, and he had the same experience, so there's nothing wrong with it. There's no, it's not a bad experience. However, I've only been here 5 days, so I wonder if prolonged heat, maybe you might have to do a regroom sooner, not sure. So glue wise, so I use the, sorry, one second, let me get it out, the Walker Tape Ultra Hold, and I have found that is the most durable and the strongest, which lasts the longest. Personally, I don't think it is necessarily the most natural looking, especially because I've got lace front, so it's not necessarily the most natural looking. If you want natural looking, I do feel that, especially on the hairline, white glue, for example, I've got this Ghost Bond one, which isn't actually the best one, but I got it because it was an offer. And that the lace really melts into a white glue better than it would into a clear glue, in my opinion. However, for the durability and the strength, I would go for the Ultra Hold. I also tape the perimeter of my system so that it stays on longer. What I did find, I had a bit of a nightmare regroom on Saturday, if I'm being honest. If you do your own regrooms, you can totally relate to this, and we all do it. I got glue everywhere, got glue in my hair, glue all down my forehead. So all I had to do to get rid of that, because I had like a shiny line along here where I had overlapped the glue, like an idiot, and all I needed to do was get some of this, which is the lace release, put some on a cotton bud and literally, or a Q-tip, and literally just go along and clean off the excess glue. And what you'll find as well is if you do put too much glue on, usually when you wash your hair, any exposed glue will kind of soften and you can pick it off, or it will just dissolve with the shampoo anyway. So don't worry about that. Beach. I have not gone in the sea with it. I have, of course, I've paddled and, frolicked and all that, but I would not go in the sea, as in get my hair wet. No, it's not worth it. I haven't had any issues with sand in my hair, nothing like that. So I think it's just, you do have to be a little bit more aware when you're on holiday and you're doing them kind of activities, but no problems at all. So I hope that there was some sort of help in this video, or some sort of tip that you might be able to take away from it. But yeah, so if you need a system, go to LaVivid. This is the highlighted one. I probably should styled it properly before I did the video, but anyway, here we go. So yeah, and she's beautiful, she's holding out, so please get in touch with LaVivid if you want a hair system. Alright, well take care, have a lovely one, and I will see you soon. Bye.